Hi there. Today we're going to talk about examples of digital marketing channels that you can use to grow your business, and we're going to share with you how Profile Tree used those channels to grow our own business. So the first channel we're going to talk about today is search engine optimization and content marketing. So the reason why search engine optimization is one of the most powerful digital marketing channels is that users go to search engines with a strong intent to buy a product or a service, or at least they're interested in that topic to educate themselves about it, or they want to find out more information about that specific topic. That strong user intent is what differentiates search engine optimization as a tool from other digital marketing channels, for example, like social media. So the user intent on search engines is much more powerful and direct in terms of they're looking for something, they will buy it, or they want to find out more information about that specific service. Maybe they're comparing between different providers. So there's usually a stronger user intent, and that's why it has a higher conversion rate. To succeed at search engine optimization or SEO, you need to stand on firm ground when it comes to two aspects. The first one of them is content marketing, and the second one is technical SEO. Now we'll talk about technical SEO shortly or later in the video, but right now let's focus on content marketing. The content that you add on your website is what allows search engines such as Google to find out what your website is associated with, and that's the only way they can recommend your website to the right audience or to the users who are searching for relevant keywords or keywords related to your website. Without content, it's nearly impossible to get your website to rank for the keywords that are related to the services or the products that you offer. And that's why you need to add content regularly and consistently to a blog that you have on your website or to the news page that you have on your website. That's the only way for Google to find out what to associate your website with. And when we say content, we're referring to more than just creating blogs. You need to be also incorporating video, using different types of content formats such as infographics, maybe presentations, ebooks, whatever it is that you want to create that will allow you or give you more or higher chance of ranking for Google. Using YouTube in specific is a great way to improve your SEO performance because YouTube is owned by Google and they both are the biggest two search engines in the world. By investing in our own blog, Profile Tree is able to generate more than 20,000 visits per month from Google alone. And of course, we're able to generate leads from this traffic. What we do is we target keywords that are related to the digital marketing field and we create content about those keywords. We have already created content related to more than 50,000 of those keywords, and those are topics related to content marketing, PPC ads, marketing concepts and basics, web development tips, and many more keywords. And that's why our website's authority on that topic, which is digital marketing, is high. We also used video marketing as part of that plan. Profile Tree has used its YouTube channel as a tool to tell the world who we are and what we do. We create videos that explain our services with a specific focus on how they can improve a business's digital growth. We also aim to help our local business community in Northern Ireland, so we create videos interviewing local industry experts who share their experience and thoughts on several topics related to entrepreneurship. To capitalize on YouTube SEO, like I mentioned to you that YouTube is the second most popular search engine, we also create educational videos related to the digital marketing field. And that's how we have gained nearly 3 million views in the time of recording this video. And as you can see, video marketing is a powerful platform to build authority and generate leads. The second example of digital marketing that we're going to talk about today is web design and development. Now, of course, having your website is a must nowadays, and your website is the main asset that you have on the digital platforms because this is the only platform that you truly own. So it's not like social media marketing, it's not like email marketing. This is the main hub for your brand online, and it represents who you are, and it's also the way to generate leads. So it acts as your brand representation, and it's a lead generation tool as well. That's why building your website is an important investment that you're going to make for your digital marketing efforts. You need to understand your business requirements and understand the industry standards for websites in your field, and you need to incorporate that in your requirements when you're talking to the person or the agency who's going to create your website for you. Building a website is both an art and a science. The art part is about the design. Your design needs to be differentiated, it needs to be representative of your brand, and of course it needs to be engaging. But it's not the only aspect of your website that matters. So you see, the technicalities and understanding your audience or the customer journey has a great weight on converting your visitors. The technical aspects of a website include its speed, its security, and also its responsiveness to different devices and browsers. Some of the technicalities also include the functionalities that you will add, such as a booking system, maybe talking to one of your agents directly or booking an appointment. These are all important functionalities that increase the conversion rate of your visitors. And so whenever you're creating a website, you need to focus on both how you will represent your brand online and how that website will function in terms of the technical aspects and the way you will be able to convert your customers or take them from point A to point B to point C. You need to have a clear customer journey with a focus on SEO and conversion. Profile Tree has created a modern and fresh design with a focus on technical SEO and a differentiated user experience. That was achieved using consistent branding, easy navigation, and a clear site structure, as well as calls to action that take the customers straight to where they need to be. We used imagery, illustrations, and video to make our visitors' experience engaging. On the other hand, we've also ensured that our website's design and visual styling is in line with the content that we will add on every page, whether it's our services pages, homepage, or the blog. Each of our services pages include full guides on how this service can help businesses grow, what our approach to work will be, and how we can help. So we added SEO optimized content to improve the SEO performance of our services pages too. From a technical point of view, Profile Tree made sure that the speed, security, and responsiveness of the website meet with Google's requirements. And on top of that, we have added functionalities that facilitate the conversion process, such as the ability to book a meeting with a team member straight ahead, integrated with the internal calendar. We hope that sharing some of our own experience with using digital marketing channels such as the web design and development and content marketing and SEO would help you to grow your business online as well. And if you have any questions related to that, we're happy to help. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.